Hello everyone, Sumer Agent 37 here, and today we're going to do an unboxing. This is a Nintendo Switch Lite. It's been out for 1 year now, and yeah, here's the sad news. My other Switch, it's bent. It pretty much doesn't charge easily anymore. I need to put in a dock to charge, and it's pretty much bent, so that's why I got a new Switch, the Switch Lite, and we're just gonna, I don't know, let's not talk too much about it. We're just gonna get right into it. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Here we go. We got the box opened, and here we go. That is the Switch Lite right there. Alright, hold on. And this, my friends, I don't want to break it already, is the Nintendo Switch Lite. It's pretty cool. It's got Joy-Cons on it. The only con about it, or I will say not the only con, or that depends if you want to say it, is that it doesn't really, you can't really dock it. Like, it's just not a con. And why did I throw it away like that? So, that there, put that there. Who needs manuals? I don't need manuals. I'm not saying manuals are for noobs, but whatever. Noobs, whatever. I don't need the manual though. I already set up a Nintendo Switch. Or my other one. Oh, put the box aside. For now, give me a second. Get this out. And we're gonna turn it on. There we go. The Switch Lite. Don't want to view that. I'll set up my Wi-Fi later, but I don't want to set it up right now because if I set it up right now, it might show my thing, and I don't want to do that. New York and Toronto. What is the date today? It's November 27th, 2020. November 27th, 2020. And it is 2. Do we want to go with the time yet? Give me a second, y'all. I just need to do the time on this. It's 2:28. We'll go with 2:28. 2:29. Sorry, 2:29. Sorry. No. Transfer. Alright, we'll worry about that later. I guess I want Mario. Alright, there we go. Link a Nintendo account? Do I want to? Do I remember my other one? The other one I had on my Switch? I think I need to check. And I don't have any connection, so regardless, I can't. Skip. Next. Nope. And there it is. So I'm gonna add the internet to here, but for now, peace out.